Again, we're back. We're talking about our speakers that is going to present in our third Kubernetes meetup in Canada. So my name is Archie. I'm CNCF ambassador. I'm working in the cloud ops as a solution architect. And today with us we have Baruch Sadogursky, who came all the way from San Francisco.
Almost San Francisco Bay Area.
Yeah, and he's presenting today at our meetup, right? So Baruch, welcome to Montreal.
Thank you. Very excited to be here. That's my second attempt to actually get to Montreal. I only made it halfway when we tried to do it in March, only to Chicago, and then went back because of the weather. So I'm really excited to be here finally. And looking outside the window, I think I did the better choice to come in August. Montreal looks amazing. I'm really happy to be here, and the turnout today is unbelievable. I think we have like what, almost 200, 150.
Amazing.
That's absolutely insane. And they all obviously came for me. So no, I'm just kidding. It's actually birthday meetup. So
we really enjoyed to have you in the 4 of our cities already, and Montreal is kind of last destination, right?
Yeah.
We went and checked your LinkedIn profile, and we found that you doing DevRel.
Yeah.
What is DevRel like?
DevRel is short of Developer Relations, and that's kind of the discipline that developer advocates are part of, but it's actually broader. It's actually what you two do with the meetups. You do developer relations. You help developers solve their problems and work better and be more successful. You are DevRel, my friends, whether you know it or not.
Amazing. Recently, we've heard that you became a CNCF ambassador. Congratulations.
Thank you. Yes, I'm
so welcome to the team.
Thank you.
Nice to have another brother CNCF ambassador with us today. What does this mean for you to be as an ambassador?
I think that's a great part to be part of this community. And going back to developer relations, it actually helps me provide more value to CNCF developers, engineers, people who work with those projects and those technologies across the world. And I think it's great. I only hope to stand up to the challenge, and the bar is set very high.
Great. I think you're truly a CNCF ambassador. Like, we see you like on pretty much every conference in the world, the major conference about Kubernetes. You guys also have DevSwamp for JFrog, something like that?
Yeah, we have Swamp of our own conference that is heavy CNCF content, obviously, just because our relationship with Kubernetes and Helm. We also do a lot of DevOps Days, and I really hope, fingers crossed, to be accepted to DevOps Days Montreal as well. First of all, I have the opportunity to come back to this wonderful city, but also just kidding. First of all, it is an important event, but also Montreal is great. I really hope one of my kind of dreams is seeing CNCF doing those series of community events like DockerCon, something like, I don't know, CNCF Days or not DockerCon, like DevOps Days, CNCF Days or what's not, and that will be even better, because that's of course really the place when we can meet the people that we work with.
Great idea. So talking about JFrog, you guys really involved in the community. Maybe you can talk about your involvement of JFrog in the community in general. Like, what do you do in open source world, and what's your contribution?
So now this year we celebrate our 10th anniversary of JFrog, a decade of doing this stuff. Most of the stuff that we are working with for the last decade is management of artifacts and working with different dependency and packaging managers. So our perspective in the CNCF universe is really Helm, and helping Helm to become the dependency manager that we can safely say that it doesn't suck. And I think that will be the first.
Great.
Because all of them are horrible. Helm is a bit less so, and we're really working hard to make it even better.
That's great. I mean, Helm is going to V3 soon, so help is needed.
Rimas joined us this week.
Okay.
Rimas, one of the founders of Helm. So that's super excited, and he's going to actually work on Helm on JFrog's payroll, basically.
So you've been presenting at our cities, like, you know, you had 4 already, today's the 5th one. Just like how you feel about the Canadian community, like, and do you have any like favorite spots in Canada since you were here like 5 times already?
Yeah, so I saw 5 airports and 5 hotels, and I can pick one of those. Obviously, that's more or less all I saw. But obviously, I saw the crowd, and that's the big deal. And I have to say that I had relatively high expectations. I didn't expect it to be like kind of a third world, you know, people have no idea. But I was even more surprised with the quality of the people, the quality of the questions, and even in the smaller meetups, even in smaller places,
like Ottawa,
like Kitchener, like Quebec City, still the turnover was very impressive, and the crowd was very, very good. Like it's like today, you know, how many people what the percentage of developers that do stuff like Docker know about Helm? Maybe 5%.
Yeah.
We asked today, 80% of people actually tried out Helm and work.
Yeah, exactly.
That's a very, very advanced.
Well, we're working hard in the meetups.
Yeah, you do a great job. Yeah, definitely.
So regarding the JFrog Artifactory, like you've seen today, like how many people using it? It's definitely, you know, kind of popular place to store the repo, you know, repos and Docker containers, images, Helm binaries. What do you guys, if you're looking in the future, maybe you can give us like a little sneak peek, like what are you planning to add as a support? Maybe something about serverless, maybe ML, AI, like those are new technologies that
Yeah, absolutely. So traditionally, Artifactory and all the JFrog products were to support the other aspects of development, right? Because we believe that your artifact management systems cannot dictate your stack. Right? If you want to use Artifactory, we are not in the position to tell you, you know what, just use Java. We don't support .NET. We don't care about if .NET is the right tool for you. We don't support it, so no. Yeah. That's not our way. What we try to do is give the developers freedom of choice to select any type of tools that they need, and we will come with the solutions. So one of the examples, for example, Go. We added Go has been very popular for a very long time, but we actually had a very hard time satisfying the need of the developers in package management in Go, because there was no solid or one package manager in Go. There were like 5 solutions, and all of them were, let's put it, suboptimal. But in the same day, Go announced they embrace one of those solutions as a package manager that goes into the standard. The same day we had a release that supported this package manager.
Yeah.
And it goes the exact same way with all of them. So for example, support for R and Conda, which are package managers for tools that data scientists use. Again, this is kind of a big deal. So R is already out, Conda is going to be released hopefully this weekend. Serverless is a very, very interesting topic, but again, here, like with Go, we're kind of waiting for the community to figure out how they want to do a package management, dependency management.
There's so many things like Kubeflow, like there's like so many things, but everything is new, right?
Exactly, right. So I guess we obviously are watching. We keep our eyes open and see once the community will settle on something, we definitely will be there to support it.
Great. Well, thank you, Baruch. Really happy to have you again and in Montreal this time. So for those who is listening us, please stay tuned. We're going to post the videos from today's meetup where Baruch is going to talk about Helm and package management and about X-Ray, so many cool stuff. So please join our Kubernetes YouTube channel. Thank you, Baruch.
Awesome. Thank you very much.